Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you've stumbled across this, I am blind and I do vlogs on my daily life as a blind person, and in front of me you're seeing complete devastation because I've decided that I'm going to be cleaning out my wardrobe and sorting out the clothes that I don't want, clothes that I do want, and making sure that I'm going to be putting them in containers where they're organized and that I can find them easily, because at the moment they're just all over the place and I want them to be neat and tidy and ready and available for when I need them. I have got an absolute shed loads of clothes. I can't tell you how many outfits, dresses, jackets, jeans, leggings, all in one outfits. I have got the lot, and I need to be a little bit more colourful because I stick to the greys, the blacks and the darker colours. Firstly, because I find them easy to deal with as a totally blind person, but that doesn't excuse why I don't put my colourful clothes back on, because I have got loads and I really should brighten myself up, because I think black is great, don't get me wrong, it's really good, but I like to wear pretty clothes. I like to wear colours. Even though I can't see them, I still like to appreciate that other people do like to look at colours. For example, I've just stumbled across, I found this in my pile of clothes. It's probably going to be upside down, but it's a dress. It's a knitted dress. It's upside down definitely, but hey ho, you're still getting the appreciation of the colours if you are my sighted subscribers. There, so it's a bit of colour, isn't it? I think it's nice to have a bit of colour, a bit of prettiness. I quite like it. So that's what I'm going to probably wear on Wednesday when I've got an appointment. So I'm going to wear a dress on Wednesday, and just start being different, because I think it's important. And over here we've still got a few bits and pieces that I just need to sort out and hang up. And also, yes, I did. I bought myself some DKNY Be Delicious, which is my favourite perfume. Really love it. It's been my staple in my life for many, many years. And yeah, I'm in love with that at the moment. So I am going to show you what I've done with all of the other plastic containers. So in here we have leggings, we have jeans, we have trousers, and we have all-in-one outfits. So I know if I need to go for anything bottom-wise, trouser-wise, I can go in there. And then in the back over here, it's just got so much, guys. This is just absolutely ludicrous. In here we have all of my summer clothes, because I wanted to have it easy to hand all of my summer items. This is not very easy when you just have one hand, but hey. So this on the top is a beautiful dress I bought from Ted Baker, which I just love. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's really nice and satin, the satin texture. So I'm loving that. And then I've got some other dresses under here. You can probably see as I flick through some colour, which is nice to get some colour. So yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Let me know in the comments below, are you a person who likes to empty their wardrobe frequently? I know some people who do it once a month, and I'm afraid I'm not one of those people who do it once a month, because I just have too much stuff. I've already bagged 3 bags of clothing because I've got too many. So it's been a really good sort out for me. I feel good. I feel like, yeah, I'm rocking my new life. I just need to throw away the old, in with the new, get with it. I'm sorry if this is a bit boring because it hasn't really got my face on it, but I can't really show you my face and then show you all of my clothes. But this is the devastation. This is what I've now got to go and sort out. These are all my top and blouses pile, so they're going to be going into this empty plastic container. And that's really it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Am I mad for doing it, or is it a good thing? Thanks for stopping by, and remember, be confident, be you.